I know that some of you will not like to hear this because of that arrogant pride inside of you, but this have to be said, and I'm going to be saying it as is doing me. Okay, so yes, and I'm going to be talking about the Igbo set of people, and this particular Igbo set of people, I'm going to talking about two states to be precise, which is Enugu and Anambra states Igbo men. Okay, these are people I'm specifically going to be talking about. So if you are dating an Igbo man from Enugu, see, I'm talking about all Igbo, but this particular two states is what I'll be dealing on personally. So if you're dating an Igbo man from Enugu or Anambra state, or you're about to get married to an Igbo man from Enugu or Anambra state, then this thing has to stick to your ears, because if you did not hear my advice, at the end of the day, now you sabi. Yes, and some persons are already angry, like, why must she said Enugu and Anambra men? Enugu and Anambra men because of experience. You get my point? So, see. Okay, anyways, first, hello, welcome back to the channel. Vibe with Sonia, bringing another vibes on your table. You see these two set of men that I've called, that I'm just going to talk about. Those men, they have a lot of orishi nonsense. I don't know if you guys understand what I'm trying to say. See, it is very, very difficult for an Igbo man, which is from Enugu or Anambra, to date another tribe and then settle with that tribe in marriage. It is difficult. Listen and listen very carefully. The moment they start dating you, they will not even tell you anything. They will let you flow and make you feel comfortable as a young lady, making you feel like, oh, this is your resting place. But when they want to get married, guess what they're going to do? They're going to be like, oh, you're not from my side, or they will start giving you some flimsy excuses, or they will start giving you some nonsense, nasty attitude that you cannot even relate with. Later, you'll not be surprised and you'll be like, hello, isn't it this person that I'm dating? I know the annoying part of these people. These people will not even tell you that go. They will not tell you that, okay, go, is over, relationship is over. No, they will never tell you that. They will make sure you are in that relationship, but what your eyes will be seeing, your eye will see shege to the point that you will use your hand and resign from that relationship. You will use your hand, because if he is not making all those loving calls before, maybe cheating on you before, if the moment he knows that he wants to settle down in marriage and he need a specifically Enugu person or an Anambra person, if he's an Anambra man, they will start giving you attitude. That attitude alone will make you say, I'm not doing again. So if you like, try your possible best to please them at that point. Do everything you want to do. Try all you could try. Like, just keep trying. Once is that point of their life, it's not going to work out again. So if you're seeing any of them giving you this silly, childish attitude because you are from a different tribe, run for your life. Yes, because they will later go and look for someone that is in Enugu or someone that is in Anambra state that can understand Igbo. Later they will not be telling you, Osokoya Igbo. You know, they hear Igbo. Osokoya Igbo. Fear those people. So start packing your bag and baggages if you are in a relationship with Enugu and Anambra man. For those of you that don't know, you're watching from another country. Enugu and Anambra states are situated in Nigeria. They are one of those states in Nigeria, and they are mostly they are the eastern part of the state. Okay, so yes, the second thing I want to talk about this Enugu and Anambra men is the pride attitude. For me, these men can pride for Africa. Like, sometimes you'll be asking yourself, waiting this person gets when they pride like this. Like, you even be confused. You be like, hello. The pride in them is something that's you cannot even stand. You can see where an Enugu or Anambra man is entering and is raising his shoulder up as if he owns that place. As if he owns that particular territory. Once they get to any place, they want to dominate. If they get to your state, they want to dominate. If they are in their state, they want to dominate. If they are in another country, they also want to dominate. Oh yeah, let me know in the comment section, which country have you traveled to that you've not seen Enugu and Anambra man? If you've traveled to any country, and you've not seen any Enugu and Anambra man, let me know in the comment section. Because there are some persons who start saying some nasty words in the comment section, of which I don't care. If I even get pissed off too much, I might even turn off the comment section. But no, it will be open for you to air out your opinion. They dominate too much. Anywhere they find themselves, they want to rule, they want to dominate, they want to own the place. How can an Enugu and Anambra man who just go to a particular state or a particular country and, okay, you've gotten one shop is not enough. They will go ahead and start getting 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 shops. Before you know, they start bringing their brothers, their cousins, their nephews, their nieces. They will start training them up and start opening shops for them, as if they own the place, as if they own that particular country or that particular state where they find themselves. This is not their land, though. And then if you come to their land, they also want to dominate you. They also want to make you know that you are from a different place. Hello, this is not your state. This is not your state. What kind of creatures are that? Other thing again about this Enugu and Anambra men is God. If you're dating them and you don't like their mother, you don't like their mother, to be precise, I'm talking about their mother, you are in soup. You are in hot soup, because these people don't joke. When I mean they don't joke with their mother. Mama will born me. Hey. If you joke with their mother, you are done. Like, when I mean you are done, you are obviously done. So they won't, even if their mother is not treating you well, bow down for her. Even if she's treating you well, bow down for her. And especially if you are in a relationship. See, let me tell you. If you are in a relationship, these people will hardly introduce you to their mother. These two people, Enugu and Abia State, they will hardly introduce you to their mother. Do you know why they don't want to introduce you to their mother? Because they know that, number one, their mother will say this person is not Igbo. And if this person is Igbo, is this person from Enugu State? Is this person from Anambra State? I don't know if you guys get my point. Yes, so you are from Igbo, but they also have issues. Their mom will also have issues for the fact that you are not from Enugu State, you're not from Abia. And if you are from Enugu State and you are from Abia State, they'll also have issues with who is their client, who is their kinsman. Is this person from our village? Is it from our local government? Jesus, what kind of people is this? So that is why they are even trying their possible best to make sure that, okay, let me go and look for Enugu, let me go and look for Abia person. But my problem and my point is this. You know fully well that this person, you cannot end up with this person. And this person is from a different tribe. Why not tell the person to look for her level on time? No, they will not do it. They will want you to suffer with them, struggle with them, make sure they are okay. And when they want to just get married, all see so. They go and look for their own. Worst come to worst, even if they get married to you, you will just see it will just be obvious. You'll be seeing it like, you are not needed here. You are not needed here. See, if you are dating, I repeat, or you have a fiance, he has engaged you, and you are from a different tribe. You are not in that category of Anambra or Enugu, but the person you are dating is Enugu and Anambra person. Run for your life. I say this with my full chest, and nobody will come and beat me. You can only say what you want to say in the comment section. That's the truth. But you know that I'm saying the truth. If you're watching it, you know, as an Anambra person, you know that I'm saying the truth. Another part of these people is that, see, if you don't know how to do business, if you are this kind of woman that you just want to sit in the house and just be enjoying, chilling with the big girls, it is over for you. Because once they are dating you, you are chilling with the big girls, they will not even say anything. They will allow you to be chilling with the big girls. They will provide for you. They will give you everything that you want in that relationship. but they will also have another Enugu and Abia states. I say Abia state, Enugu and Anambra person that they'll be dating behind the scene. You will now see that Enugu and Anambra person will be a business-oriented person. Will be someone that is not a liability, is an asset. So if you're a liability and you're just sitting in one place, your own is just to sit in one place, the person will just provide for you. Start hustling for your life. In fact, start making arrangements for your life. Because by the time these people finish with you, by the time you think that, by the time you say Jack, it is over. Now you go use your hand, say it is over. They no go pursue you. Or what's come to worse, you can just even sit you can sit down with them. They are printing invitation card of their wedding to their Enugu and Anambra person, and you are not aware. But you'll be sitting there, they'll be doing you, oh, I love you, baby. You know you are the best thing in the world. Oh, baby, chop my money. Oh, baby, Sequoia money. Oh, baby, do this by money. And you are still there. Maybe you think I'm blabbing. I'm not blabbing, but ask people that had experience. In fact, if you've gotten experience, drop it in the comment section from a different tribe. And even some of them, even if they're from Enugu, have you experienced that? Have you not experienced that even if from Enugu, they will tell you that since you're not from the same local government and the same village, my mother has given me the same local government and the same village. Which kind of people be this? Newe must marry Newe. This person must marry this person. And my friend's daughter must marry my friend's son. These people are too, like, I just feel like they are too full of themselves. That's what I feel. And this is actually my own popular opinion. Because I know that a lot of you become, see, it's every one of you that will come and start cursing me in the comment section. That will come and render cursing my generation. That will come and render cursing my life. I have returned it back to you already. So before you even think of dropping a comment that you will curse me, I have turned it back. I've returned it back to you. Okay? Yes, I've returned it back to you. But obviously, these are what these people are doing. And people don't want to talk about it because maybe they feel like, oh, Enugu and Igbo and Abia people or Igbo people, they are the most influencer in the world. They are the most business-oriented person. What is in the world? In Nigeria, they are the most business-oriented person, and the rest of that. Other tribes have all of that qualities too. Just that most of us from other tribes, we don't want to like bring out ourselves and rub it to your face. We're doing it behind the scene and you are not seeing. So don't make it look as if we're not too get everything other people don't get. I don't know if you guys get what I'm trying to say. Anyways, most persons will be like, oh, why is she even talking about this? Is she not married to an Igbo man? Yes, so I'm married to an Igbo man, and I'm married to an Igbo man from Abia State. But this is actually not my unpopular opinion. This is a TikToker's opinion. So I saw where a lady was actually lamenting. She was crying about this Enugu and Anambra set of persons because of her experience that she's gotten with them. And she decided to share it to the public. When I went to the comment section, I saw a whole lot of comment lambasting her. I saw a whole lot of people insulting her and the rest of that. I also actually dropped my own comment there because I told her that I'm married to an Igbo person, but mine is from Abia State. But I've not experienced all of these things that you're saying. Yes, respect is a normal thing. Everybody respect his or her family. It's true. I'm telling you guys the comments I dropped. So respect is a normal thing. So if a guy is respecting his mother, you should also be able to respect his mother. But the lady is talking bitterly because of how she has experienced a whole lot of breakups with her Enugu and Abia men, to be precise. And this is me picking it up from her and bringing it down to YouTube so that I can also hear everybody's opinion in the comment section. So before you come and start insulting me and you've not watched to this point of this video, you're your own. You are on your own, okay? Because insult no disturb me. I'm married to Abia, Igbo. I'm from Igala, Kogi State to be precise. 2 different states. I've not experienced any of this, okay? I've been dating my Igbo guy and we got married. But it's not from Enugu. It's not from Abia. That's why I was really, really concerned. Probably Abia people have their own. You push come out and tell us as well. Anyways, if you've not subscribed at this point of this video after insulting me, please do well to subscribe, like this video, drop me your comment, make sure you let me know the particular category of man that you are dating. Okay. Yeah. And yeah, with no further ado, I do like a lot of my videos. I'm going to be saying bye, and I'll see you guys in my next video. For now, bye. For now, keep me.